My name is Ryan. I've been a patient here at RevitalyzeMD for just short of a year now. First found out about Revitalize through just some research on the internet. We were looking for hormone replacement for my wife Molly. We'd been to several other doctors and tried several other programs and just weren't satisfied. And what brought us here was the fact that Dr. Durst is an actual doctor and took a lot of care in her patients. Right from the start we felt real comfortable and at ease here, and Molly started her treatments. During that time they have literature in every room, and so I had a lot of time to read, so I read a lot of things and decided I better come in for my own consultation because I wasn't feeling as good as I should feel. So with that I scheduled my own appointment and was on track for my own hormone replacement therapy. And then I got to talking to him a little bit more, and pretty soon here I am in the middle of a Gainswave treatment, and they ended that with a P-shot. And I guess that happened last spring. By the time that was all said and done, I followed it up with another Gainswave treatment and another shot last fall.
We've just had phenomenal effects. When he started talking to me a little bit about the P-shot and the Gainswave treatment, that we thought that might help any kind of intimacy that we're having. Dr. Durst was absolutely phenomenal to talk about the entire program. We were comfortable with the facility. The employees are 100% professional, and there was never any doubts. They answered. They took as long as we needed to answer as many questions as we had, and the results have been absolutely amazing. If anybody is feeling any kind of trouble, sexually or hormonal wise, you should definitely give Revitalize and Dr. Durst a shot, even if it's just to come in for a consultation. If you're out there researching it, then you already have that feeling that something's not always right. Just don't be afraid. Don't feel insecure or be afraid at all. It can only get better.